Hi guys, audible to all? Hello to everyone. Guys, audible? Please respond. Okay. Sorry. तो आज कुछ नया करेंगे अपन. एक्चुअली हमेशा अपन कुछ नया ही करते हैं, लेकिन आज और कुछ नया होगा. जिसको जो डाउट्स है, ठीक है, वो आज क्लिक करेंगे रेस्ट फॉर योर हैंड्स. फिर मैं उनको अनम्यूट करूंगा और वो क्वेश्चन पूछेंगे. ओके, तो गॉट इट गाइस? Got it? Okay. So now see who is this Surya songs. So guy, I am unmuting you. Okay. So you are now able to talk. Yeah, Surya. Now you can speak. Just unmute and tell me if you have any doubt. You raise your hand. Hello. Anyone else? कोई और है जो कुछ क्वेश्चन पूछना चाहता है? सूर्या. ओके. सूर्या. या प्रियंका. या प्रियंका. टेल मी. गाइस, किसी को कुछ भी नहीं पूछना है. कुछ तो पूछना होगा. Kishan, okay. Now you can speak. Unmute your mic and tell your what's your doubt. Any question?
Good afternoon, sir.
Very
Am
good
I audible?
afternoon. Yeah, audible, Kishan.
Sir, actually, I am from civil background, but I am interested in data science. So,
Okay.
how can I come into this field?
Okay. So currently, do you have any experience of data science before?
No, sir. Actually, I have learned the basics of Python. I have done a certification course. I
Okay.
know the intro of data science, that how we can use in our real life using Python.
Okay. So that's all things you already know.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Which batch you are pass out?
I am, sir. I will pass in 2023.
2023. Okay. So when you join this bootcamp?
Sir, today is my first day, sir.
Okay. Today is your first day. So to be frank with you, if you are go through the content that has been given so far, okay, I will share you the link, the Discord link and previously, because this bootcamp is kind of the bootcamp where you can just learn the data science from the basic. Okay.
Yes,
And
sir.
the assignments has been given, projects भी दिया जाएगा आपको बहुत कुछ सिखाया जाएगा. अगर आप ये bootcamp अच्छे से करते हैं, फिर उसके बाद अगर आप प्रैक्टिस करते हैं तो आपको और ज्यादा हेल्प होगा, क्योंकि प्रैक्टिस के बिना मतलब नहीं, मजा नहीं आएगा. तो इसमें पूरा बेसिक पाइथन का, डेटा साइंस, मशीन लर्निंग, नमपाई, पांडास, मशीन लर्निंग के एल्गोरिथम्स, सुपरवाइज लर्निंग, ठीक है, उनको कैसे यूज करते हैं, टू जेड इस पूरे बूट कैंप पे बताया जाएगा. फिर उसके बाद आप प्रैक्टिस के लिए गिटहब या काफी सारी वेबसाइट्स अवेलेबल है मार्केट में, वहां से आप प्रोजेक्ट्स उठाकर आप उनको डिप्लॉय कर सकते हैं और उसके ऊपर काम कर सकते हैं. और केगल के ऊपर भी आप काम कर सकते हैं. सो देयर आर सो मेनी वेबसाइट्स आर देयर. आफ्टर लर्निंग द बूट कैंप और टेकिंग द नॉलेज फ्रॉम द बूट कैंप, यू कैन स्टार्ट योर ओन प्रोजेक्ट्स और द डेटा सेट using the Google, okay, and then start putting all these things on your LinkedIn account or the resume, so you will able to get the jobs. बस एक चीज है जो मेरी साइड से मैंडेटरी होगी, वो ये है, प्रैक्टिस 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 प्रैक्टिस.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
बिल्कुल. Yeah, guys. Anyone else have any question? किसी को और कुछ डाउट है? ओके, साक्षी. Sakshi. How are you, Sakshi? Tell me. How can I
Sir,
help
I
you?
want, sir, I want to know the answers of today's poll because it's difficult for me to know the answer.
Sure, definitely. We will look the false questions answers soon. Okay. No worry. If you have any other question related to the data science and machine learning, feel free to ask.
Sir, for NumPy, is it enough what we did like in previous lecture that your from Jupyter Notebook we have done so many things. So is it all about NumPy?
Actually, to be frank, okay, again, NumPy is very big, okay. But for now, as a beginner, to start with the machine learning, to start with the data science, that's the enough one. You can start with it and doing the machine learning projects and creating the machine learning tools. So for now and for the beginner point of view, it's good. As much as you will increase your knowledge, you will went into the like different projects, and you will just work on the different companies, then automatically you will grab the numpy as a okay. This is a one thing, and the another thing, that's not a mandatory to learn the every function. You should know the basics, and with the help of the Google, you can just take the help from Google and do the some coding with the help of the Google and copy paste and just make your work done. Got it?
Okay, sir. Thank you so much.
Yeah, anytime. Guys, anyone else? किसी को कोई भी डाउट्स नहीं है गाइस? स्टार्ट करें सेशन. क्वेश्चन हो तो पूछो, काफी अच्छा मौका है. पूछो पूछो, सोचो, कुछ तो होगा, कुछ तो किया होगा ना. सुनने के अलावा कुछ करते भी होंगे ना अपन, तो पूछो ना. पूछते क्यों नहीं हो? जल्दी पूछो. गाइस, कैसे करोगे तो कैसे मजा आएगा यार. तुमको कुछ क्वेश्चन ही नहीं है, इसका मतलब तुम पढ़ते ही नहीं हो. इसका मतलब तो यही हुआ. सबको सब आता है. बताओ, कुछ तो क्वेश्चन होंगे. गाइस, चैट पे मत पूछो. Raise your hand, then I will unmute you. So that will be the much better. अच्छा मौका मिल रहा है यार. क्या करते हो? So sad. शुभम,
Hello.
क्या शुभम?
Uh, Good evening, sir.
Hi,
Sir,
Shubham. How are you?
sir, fine, sir.
Yeah, tell me.
Sir, by the way, like, on which projects are we planning to work on? Do we have any, like, curriculum or uh, pattern or data frame?
Yeah, definitely. We are going to see some supervised learning algorithms. Okay. So in that algorithms, we will just work on the projects like housing price prediction. Okay. So this is a regression problem. Then we see some other problem like kind of the iris data kind of thing.
Yes, sir. Iris data from SK Learning.
Yeah, and also we'll see some like if I just tell you, wait, I have the list. I created the list yesterday only. Okay, give me 1 second. Like car price prediction model. Okay, so this is one that we can just do it. Okay, so this kind of models we will just learn. Future sales prediction, stock price prediction, student marks prediction. So this kind of like thing we will do.
Okay.
Then I will explain you end to end. Okay, from end to end.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, yeah. Anyone else? Guys, हो गया? और किसी को कोई भी डाउट नहीं है? कुछ और डाउट हो तो बताओ. कोई डाउट नहीं है गाइस. डन. चलो पॉज के क्वेश्चंस देखते हैं. NumPy stands for answer is numerical Python. Okay. Next question. NumPy is often used along with the packages like Matplotlib, StyleC and Node.js. ठीक है. Both B and C. ठीक है. Most important object defined in the NumPy is an n-dimensional array type called ND array. Answer is ND array. Which of following sets the size of the buffer used in the unfunction? Okay. Set buff at size. Okay. If the dimension is given in the reshaping operation, the other dimension are automatically calculated. -1. Which of following is not true about the data frame? Okay, so data frame object cannot be treated in size is immutable. Index can be string. Frame can have 1 second. Answer. Let me see. The questions are not there. 1 second. I have the list. Yeah, so data frame is size is unmutable. Okay. Now, which of the following statement for the creating data frame is valid? Data frame, creating the data frame, pd dot data frame, no, pd dot data frame, pd dot data frame. Answer is B, not D. F is not going to be the capital. D. Sorry. F is going to be capital as a D. So answer is D. Okay. And select the column to display the both row and column index label as a data frame exception. Okay. For that one. Okay. The answer is D. Okay. When a data frame is created using a 2D dictionary, column label are formed by key of the outer dictionary, key of the inner dictionary. Key of the outer dictionary is the answer. The first one. Yeah, that's done. Okay. ये हो गया अपना. ठीक है, अब अपन सेशन स्टार्ट करते हैं. Let me share my screen. 1 second. आज अपन मशीन लर्निंग स्टार्ट करते हैं. ठीक है, बेसिक तो सबने देख ही लिया था. ठीक है, गॉट इट. Let me open my PPT. स्क्रीन विजिबल? ओके, नाइस। तो आप देख सकते हैं कि कुछ आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस है यहाँ पे। ठीक है, तो सबसे पहले तो अपन देखते हैं कि आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस क्या होता है। तो आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस इज एबिलिटी ऑफ द मशीन इन कंडक्टिंग द इंटेलिजेंट टास्क। दैट मीन्स आप मशीन को ऐसी एबिलिटी दे रहे हो कि वो खुद से सोच के कुछ टास्क को परफॉर्म करे। मशीन खुद करेगा, आपको कुछ करने की जरूरत नहीं, बस आपको उसको सिखाना है कि करना कैसे है इंटेलिजेंट टास्क। ठीक है, अब इंटेलिजेंट प्रोग्राम्स क्या होते हैं? इंटेलिजेंट प्रोग्राम्स वो होते हैं जो अपन लिखते हैं। ओके, अपन लिखते हैं और वो इंटेलिजेंटली परफॉर्म करते हैं। क्यों? क्योंकि अपन ने इंटेलिजेंटली उसमें कोडिंग करा है। लेकिन आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस में ये नहीं होता है। आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस मींस एबिलिटी ऑफ मशीन इन कंडक्टिंग इंटेलिजेंट टास्क। ऐसा। अब कुछ थॉट्स हैं, ठीक है, थॉट्स हैं थोड़े बड़े बड़े लोगों के। ठीक है, बिल गेट्स breakthrough in machine learning could be the what and Microsoft. Machine learning is next internet. Machine learning is hot new thing. Web ranking today are mostly the matter of the machine learning. Machine learning is going to result in the real revolution. Okay, so कुछ thoughts हैं जो बताते हैं कि machine learning बहुत कुछ होने वाली है आने वाले टाइम। ठीक है, अब सबके अपने अपनी डेफिनेशन है देखो मशीन लर्निंग को बताने की। ठीक है, मेरे को सबसे अच्छी लगती है ये बात। ठीक है, जो मैं आपके साथ शेयर करता हूँ, ये तो सब ऐसे ही है। ठीक है, आपको अगर किसी को मशीन लर्निंग समझाना हो तो ये वन ऑफ द बेस्ट डायग्राम है। ठीक है, आप लोग देख सकते हैं। पहले अपन ट्रेडिशनल प्रोग्रामिंग की बात करते हैं कि ट्रेडिशनल प्रोग्रामिंग में क्या होता था। अपन डेटा लेते थे। ओके, ठीक है, इनपुट डेटा प्रोग्राम आप लोगों ने बनाया और वो आउटपुट देता था। ऐसे ही होता है ना, आप प्रोग्राम बनाते हो और इनपुट लेते हो यूजर से, या खुद ही आप किसी फाइल से लोगे और फिर उसका आउटपुट आएगा। तो ये ट्रेडिशनल प्रोग्रामिंग। मशीन लर्निंग प्रोग्रामिंग क्या होता है? आपने डेटा लिया और आपने उसका आंसर लिया और उसको बोला प्रोग्राम बना। गॉट इट? आपने यहाँ पे आउटपुट दिया कि अच्छा ये डेटा है, उस डेटा के आधार पे आउटपुट क्या था? आउटपुट अच्छा ये था। अब बाबा आप बनाओ प्रोग्राम। तो वो प्रोग्राम बनाता है। वो प्रोग्राम कैसे बनाता है? मैथमेटिकल मॉडल्स होते हैं कुछ, उसकी हेल्प से वो प्रोग्राम बनता है। गॉट इट? आगे अपने को वो समझेगा। ठीक है, लेकिन बाय मशीन लर्निंग, और अभी ही क्यों मशीन लर्निंग? एग्जाम्पल आप देखो कि डेटा क्या स्पीड से बढ़ा है 2010 से लेकर 2015 तक। एक मिनट। तो एक तो ये रीजन है कि डेटा बहुत इंक्रीज हुआ है, और जहाँ पे डेटा इंक्रीज होता है वहां पे अपने को डेटा इंसाइट्स निकालने के लिए मशीन लर्निंग की जरूरत पड़ती है। ये देखो कि आज के डेट में डेटा कैसे ग्रोथ हो रहा है। फेसबुक यूजर, उबर, ट्विटर, यूट्यूब, इंस्टाग्राम, इतना कुछ है। एवरी मिनट का डेटा है, एवरी मिनट। ठीक है, एक तो डेटा का रीजन है। दूसरा रीजन क्या है? कंप्यूटेशन पावर ग्रोथ। पहले अपन लोग ऐसा कुछ यूज करते थे, फिर पर्सनल कंप्यूटिंग आया, और आज की डेट में क्या है? क्लाउड कंप्यूटिंग। अपन क्लाउड कंप्यूटिंग यूज करते हैं। अपना मोस्ट ऑफ डेटा कहाँ पे पड़ा है? ड्राइव पे पड़ा है। ठीक है, उसकी हेल्प से क्या होता है? अपने को लोकल में कुछ सेव नहीं करना पड़ता है। तो कंप्यूटेशन पावर जो डेटा को स्टोर करने की और प्रोसेस करने की जो अपने को चाहिए, तो आज की डेट में वो अवेलेबल है। इसलिए अब अपन देखते हैं कि मशीन लर्निंग काम कैसे करता है। ठीक है, आपके अंदर कुछ टर्मिनोलॉजी से वो अपन देखेंगे। पहले आप यहाँ पे समझो कि ये होता क्या है। ट्रेनिंग इमेजेस, कुछ इमेजेस दी मैंने और उनके नाम भी बता दिए। ठीक है, कि ये क्या है, ये क्या है, ये क्या है। ठीक है, एप्पल, ठीक है, सबके अलग अलग नाम बता दिए। तो ये इमेजेस है। ठीक है, तो इमेज के फीचर्स, तो सबके अलग अलग फीचर्स होते हैं कि अच्छा ये राउंडेड है, ठीक है, इसकी साइज इतनी है, इसका कलर इतना है, तो उसको फीचर्स बोलते हैं। और फीचर्स के साथ साथ मैंने हर एक ट्रेनिंग एग्जांपल का आंसर भी दिया है, जिसको अपन क्या बोलते हैं, लेबल। अपन ने देखा था ना कि अपन डेटा के साथ आउटपुट भी देंगे, फिर वो प्रोग्राम बनाएगा। ठीक है, तो अपन ने ये डेटा दे दिया और ये आउटपुट दे दिया, गॉट इट। फिर उसके बाद अपन इन दोनों के कॉम्बिनेशन से ट्रेनिंग करते हैं, और ट्रेनिंग करने के बाद कुछ मैथमेटिकल मॉडल बनता है। ठीक है, फिर उसके बाद अपन क्या करते हैं, अपन बोलते हैं कि ठीक है, अब टेस्ट करते हैं कि आपने कितना काम सही किया है, कितना गलत किया। तो उस कंडीशन में अपन एक इमेज लेंगे, फिर उसका फीचर देंगे, लेकिन इस कंडीशन में आउटपुट नहीं देंगे, अपन टेस्ट करेंगे इसके द्वारा, लर्निंग मॉडल के द्वारा। ओके, ऐसा। सो लर्न मॉडल विल बी हियर। ठीक है, फिर प्रोडक्शन मिलते हैं, ऐसा कुछ होता है। ठीक है, मैं एक बार एक्सप्लेन करता हूँ। ठीक है, what actually happening in the world of the machine learning, we have some common things. Okay, what the common things are there? Training images. Okay, so this is the training images. Every image have some features. Okay, that features will be what kind of feature? Any kind of the feature, kind of like what we can say, the shape, the color, the size, the height, width, breadth, everything will be the features. Okay, and here we are giving the features. Okay, and also if you remember, here we what we said, traditional programming means data plus program and we get the output. In machine learning, what we are said, data plus output, and the basis of that we get the program. Now I gave the data. Okay, so see, this is the data. Okay, now I have to give the output. So output is the name of the every image. So this is the label. Output means label. Okay, so with the help of this two combination, I will just do the training on the computer, and computer will just learn a model, or we can say program. It's have some program in her mind or in its mind. Okay, this totally depends. Okay, after that, how I will test, is it right or wrong? Okay, so in that condition, what will happen? I will take one image, give the features, and basis of the model that has been learned in this training section, I will just take this one and see what is the prediction of this. So this is known as the working of the machine learning. Now guys, if you have any doubts, please tell me. Okay, because these things are going to be very crucial and you have to focus. No doubts? Yeah, that's very good. Okay, now see one thing here. Okay, algorithms. There are the different types of algorithms are available. Supervised algorithm, unsupervised, and semi-supervised. Supervised algorithm means in that one we have the label or the output of the data. If we don't have the label, then that means we don't know the output. We only have the data. So that known as the we have the output, then that's known as a supervised learning. And semi supervised learning means we have some labels and we don't have some labels. Okay, so that's known as the semi supervised. Okay, types of the machine learning. So this is types of the machine learning. For now, whatever has been I told you, any doubts, please tell me. Guys, no doubt. Reinforcement learning. Okay, I will tell you. Okay, and types. Okay, again I will explain you with this, with the help of this one. See, machine learning, only three different types mainly. Okay, mainly three different types. Supervised learning. Yeah, working of ML I will tell again, no issue. Okay, so this is machine learning. Okay, supervised learning, unsupervised, and reinforcement learning. Okay, so in supervised learning, we will get the output. Okay, let's just discuss with the example. Yeah, housing price. Okay, so for reading the CSV file, we know we have to import pandas. Okay, and how to read the file in pandas we already saw in the next previous class. So this is the like panda. Okay, now see. Okay, housing price reduction. So you have to find out what is the output. Okay, okay, I will just tell you some key points here. Output equal to target equal to table equal to result is all are equal to each other. Okay, don't be confused yourself. Okay, don't be confused yourself. Output, target, table, result, everything is same. Okay, and also in machine learning, dependent variable. Okay, now features. Okay, is equal to independent variables. Okay, equal to data. Okay, so this is some keywords. This is some keywords. Okay, features. Got it? All these things are equal. Now, here you have to housing price prediction problem. Now, guys, what will happen? You have to find out the first step for the machine learning. Find out. I will share everything. No worry. Okay. Just focus on the class. I will share everything. First step. Find out the dependent variables and independent variables. Okay. This is the first step that you have to do. Now, in this one, housing price prediction. So, the variable that you want to predict, that's known as the target variable, label, result, output, or dependent variable. Whatever you want to say it, you can. For here, we will just use either label, target, or dependent, anything. So, the value which you have to predict. Okay, so that's known as a target. Other than this, all are the features or independent variable. Now, here you have to target is column. Okay, other are features. Got it? So this is the first step that you have to do. So let's do it. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Now tell me, this is my data frame. What is the this, what we can say, target? What is the independent and dependent variable? Please type in the Q&A section. Independent variables are square foot, bedrooms, offers, brick, neighbors, and neighborhood are the features. Price is target variable. Bingo, guys. So target variable is price. Okay. So this is the first step that we find out. So what we will do, we will separate out this. Okay. We will separate out this. How we will separate out? First, we will separate out how target here. Okay. We'll create the target here. Here. The particular, as we already know. So target features. Okay. Equal to here. Drop target is equal to 1. Bingo. Okay. Oh, key error. My bad. First, I have to not target. Is the price now? Why you are not saying, sir? You are doing wrong. You have the right price. I will see the target independently and features independently. Okay. Got it, guys? Till now, everyone understand the things. Please tell me if you have any doubts. I separate out this. Okay. Now, got it? Please response, यार. You guys are not responding. यहाँ तक समझ में आया आप लोगों को? अगर कुछ डाउट हो तो बताओ. Okay, good. The dependent variable, independent variable. Okay, then separate both variables in different data frame. Okay, that's it. Second step has been done. Now the third step. Okay, and also, guys, we learn. Okay, supervised. See, supervised algorithms have the label, unsupervised don't have, and reinforcement is a part of the gaming world. For now, we are not just putting our thoughts in the reinforcement learning. It is kind of the gaming. Okay. Now see supervised. Okay. Training feature vector. That means what the feature vector? Independent variables, labels, dependent variable. Both things has been given to machine learning algorithm. After that, we will do the training and make the predictive model. For testing, we'll just give only the feature vector and get the label from the model and we will compare with the other model or other labels. This is known as the supervised learning algorithm. Okay. So supervised, we are given the data sets already know, so you can just read it out. Okay. Now see this one. Here we miss the label. This one, no label is there. So this is not the unsupervised learning. Okay. Got it? This is the example of disease diagnosis. Okay. So disease diagnosis. Okay. So yeah, just to go here. Supervise. So supervise also has the two kinds of the algorithm, regression and classification. Okay. Now we'll see supervise, regression. Regression means where our target or output continuous data format, data values we can say. Okay. And classification is discrete data values. Now guys, tell me which problem currently we are focusing on, classification or continuous housing price, which is this? Tell me. Okay, one person is regression. What about other? Classification. Okay, other? Then else? Shubham, classification. Okay. Swendra, Anjali. Okay. So guys, this is the regression, not classification. The value is discrete means you guys are not remember the classification means. That means the output data in the classes or 0, 1, this kind of. And here the values can be on the scaling. Okay, anything can be. So here pricing is this. It can be in the point also. So regression. Now regression has the some basic algorithms that we can apply, and classification also has some basic algorithm that we have to apply when we just work on the classification. Okay. Now tell me disease diagnosis. Okay, tell me which type of the which type of the algorithm this is, regression or classification, which one? Diabetes of the medical resource, absence, presence. So this is the data training will be the absence and presence. Tell me. Okay. So this is the classification. Now this one, case playing, classification or regression? The classification. Text classification, its names the classification, so it is a classification. Okay, yeah. Sorry, neural network we are not seeing for now. Okay, so this is all about the basic one. Okay, very basic, very basic. Okay, now this has been done. Now we shift on the our coding part. Now see, we'll just see the features describe. So with the help of describe, we will see what is a mean, what is a median. Okay, everything we will see. Everything. We are not going to just miss anything. So for that one, what's the thing that we have to do? Now we have to just do the data set, or what we can just do. As the descriptive analysis. Okay. So then the visualization. Okay. Sorry. data preprocessing or data cleansing or cleaning, you can say. Okay, then training or model building. Okay. And after that, production. Okay, and analysis or evaluation of results in the main model. Okay, and after that, deployment of ML model. Okay, so this is we are going to do. Okay. Now this done, this done. Now we will focus on the descriptive analysis. Descriptive analysis, describe is done. Okay, we see the mean of the every value. Okay, now we know some basic diagrams are there. So with the help of that diagram, we will just do our job. Okay, so can anyone please tell me what graphs we can, or just we'll just do the graph in the next section. Before that, just see the target here describe. So see mean, standard deviation, all these things are there. Okay. Tell me what else we can do if you guys remember. Just dot info and value data types. Yes, yes, very good, very good. Now, guys, it's very going to be the very tough. Okay, what is going to be the tough? To doing the every particular data frame info describe. So now what we will do, now we understand that what is a feature and what is a target. Now we are just shifting this step. Okay, this step. Okay, 1 2 3. Okay. Now we'll do this one later in the part. Okay. Every time we have to just do this different tables. So that's not a good thing. Okay. Fine. Now info. Okay. See, no null values is there. 128. How many columns? Okay. So just go for the DF also. So yeah, values are there. Okay. Describe info. Okay. Yeah. So some are the integers. Okay. Some are the object. So okay, that's the one thing that we get to know. Okay. 1 second. Yeah. Okay. So some are the objects and some are this. Now we'll see df is null. So all have the all data. That's the fine thing. Okay. Now what else we can do? Tell me. Yeah, outliers, null value check done. Outlier we will see data types done. Now this is the basic descriptive analysis we done. Okay. Now with the help of that, okay, what we can do, we will just now see these two variables are in the list of the numerical. Okay, so I will check the uniqueness of these values. Okay, now see the uniqueness. Okay, that's not no only there. Okay, and what is the other? East, north, and west. So this is a unique values. Yes or no? And east, north, and west. Now, guys, please remember when you have categorical values, sorry, categorical variables. Okay, what you find out with the help of this info, you have the integer features and you have the categorical features. Okay, categorical means that have the string data type. Okay, or string values. Okay, so with the help of that we can just we have to convert this all the values into the 0 and 1. Okay, or in numbers. Okay, so how we can do? So there is one function available, okay, from the library of the scanner, that known as the label encoding. Okay, label encoding, that's known as the label encoding. Okay, let me just take the code I have written for you guys. Yes, we can assign them with the 0, 1, 2, 3, but the label encoding is a function that is given by the scanner. So with the help of that, that can be the easy to you to do the things. Okay, that's why I'm doing. You can also do manually, but it's take the time. And to save the time, we have to use the scanner. That's why we are doing. Do your own Python function also. Okay, got it. Now we have to define the label encoder with the variable. Okay. Now I will just call the fit transform is the one function is there. So with the help of that, we can just do this thing. Okay. Just see now head values has been assigned. Okay. Got it. Now we will do the same for the neighborhood. Now again I will do this. You can see again this is done. Now with the help of the sample function, I will just do this thing. So that means yeah, you can see 0, 1, 0, 1, 2 has been assigned. Now I can remove this one. I will drop this value. Sorry, drop these columns. Now everything is in the okay. See what we did from the starting. Okay. In the first step, we find out the which is the target variable. Okay, and zero step we can say find out Just put here this one 0, 4, 5, 6, 8. Okay, find out the dependent variable and independent variable. Okay, that's done. Okay, we find out here price. After that, we will do the head, describe, see what is the value of the mean, median, maximum. Okay, how's the data? And with the help of the info, we get to know two variables, two columns are the in the categorical mode. Okay, so with the help of that, we did this thing. Okay, after that, we check the null values and we see what is the uniqueness. So 0 and 1. 0, 1, 2 will be done. Okay, then we just call the label encoder function and just do the label encoding, and brick has been changed to the brick new with the 0 and 1. Neighborhood new 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so this all things has been done so far. Got it, guys? And again, now we don't want these two variables, so I drop these values. Okay, now I have the data frame with the all numerical values. Got it, guys? Till now, any doubt, please tell me. Yeah, guys, no doubts. Guys, no doubts. Okay, now see, here we just put the 0, 1, 2. Okay, okay. Now, if take example, the uniqueness we find and we get to know this, this, and this. And if there will be the chance 7 columns will be there. Okay, 7 columns. Okay, sorry, one column has the 7 different values. So in that condition, what will happen? With the help of the label encoder, okay, we'll assigning the 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, now the more the value has been given to the particular column, there will be the chances that our training will be the going in the wrong direction. Okay, so instead of using this label encoder, we will use one hot encoding. Okay, got it? I will share everything. Please focus in the class. Everything will be shared with you guys. Okay, so we will use the label encoding. We'll use the label encoding here. Now we will see the one hot encoding, how it's used. Okay, see. So what the, not the good link, just go for the good link. See. Okay. Yeah, this is the example. See, so with the help of the one hot encoding by scope, okay, dream, Torgensen, the values has been given. This is a row. Okay, so 3 new rows will be created. 1, 0, 0. This is 1. This is 1. Okay, so this kind of the rows will be done. Okay. Okay. Now we will use this one. So it's basically just copy the code again, okay, and we'll put here. So we remove this one, so we need the again the file. Now describe. See, describe is giving the count 128 values in the home column. Mean, what is the mean of the home? 60.4, 64.5 standard deviation, 37 mean, 1 mean means minimum here. Okay, 25% lies with this values, 50% lies, 64 values, 64, 70% values, and maximum. What is the maximum value? So this is the known as the describe. So it is giving the every column value of this. Count, mean, standard deviation, minimum, 25, 50, 70, and maximum. This is the focus of the describe. Got it? After that, we'll do all these things. Okay. Now we will not use the table encoding. We'll use table hot coding. Sorry, one hot coding. One hot encoder. Now you see. Oh, my bad. Get to yes. See, 1000100 has been done. I'll just remove this one. See, 100, this is has been done. Okay. Now we'll just put again into the type as. This is giving me the array and I need into the data frame. So I am trying to get the values in the data frame. That's help us to understand the value. Just use, you can use the get dummies function also. Just convert this one. Okay. Yeah. Yes or no has been done in data frame. And we want into the data frame itself. One second. Something went wrong. Yeah. Okay, that's done. Remove for label encoding for now. Get dummies is also the function of the Python. With the help of that, you can do the things. Okay. Now, here we just put the this thing. Now you can see the output of this east, west, north, south. 100110. Okay. Now we will concatenate data frames. Okay. Why I'm doing in front of you everything, because this help you guys also how we can do the things. Okay, that's why, like when you are just suffering for any problem, so you can also get to know, oh, with the help of this thing we can just take the help from the Google. So because it's sometimes you need the someone, so Google is there to help you. Okay, see. Okay, now with the help of this, we get the none values. Okay, so now there's something interesting thing. We can do the null value. Some see, null values are there. Okay, so what we will do now, we will replace. Yes, get dummies is alternative for the one hot encoder. Okay, now we fill NA. Okay, with the value equal to 0. So 0 has been given. Okay, so this is all thing. Now we can just drop our okay. Now we have everything in our control. Okay, home, price, square foot, bedrooms, bathrooms, offers, yes, no, east, west, north, south, brick, and neighborhood has been converted into the columns. Okay, so this is our final one. Now, if you notice, okay, if you notice, now see the describe also again. The maximum values of the square feet is 2590 and price is 211200. Okay, and this price maximum is 4611111. Okay, so this is kind of the what we can say, this is the kind of the values which is not into the scale. Okay, not in single scale, so we have to scaling that one also. Okay, but we will not do this one. Scaling only done after the or we can say before this stage, or I will just put scaling, then training or model building. Okay. Now we'll shift on the data visualization part, and I will remove the other unuseful things. Label encoder, for now we are not using this, this. Yeah, that's done. Now data visualization. Okay, now the data visualizations comes in the okay, data visualization. Now tell me what the basic graphs that we have to draw. Tell me, you guys. Scatter plot, okay. Again, any other? Now see, we have the two different types of the problem: numerical and categorical. For numerical, two variables. You can show scatter plot, okay, and numerical single variable. What we can draw? Tell me, guys. Categorical, single, or relationship, we can say. Okay. Bar graph, pie chart, give analysis through graph, histogram, scatter plot. Okay. So here the pie chart will come. Okay. Histogram, frequency, or bar graph, both are same. Okay. And also we will just see the box plot. Okay. And numerical single value, box plot. Okay. And again we can just draw the frequency or bar graph. Okay. Scatter plot. And here we will see the histogram also. Tell me more if someone remember. Yes, guys. Anyone have? No, Matplot is a library. It is not a graph. Heat map. Okay. For the categorical, we can draw the word cloud also. Yes. So this is the basic one. Okay. We can just have a look. Relation or correlation. Calculating the correlation. So this graphs we are going to see. Okay. And before that, I forget one thing, and you guys also don't remind me. Okay. Here I'm just putting mean, median, mode. Okay. Standard deviation, variance, correlation, or we can check the skewness. So this thing that we have to do into the descriptive analysis. So correlation and skewness we forget. So we have to do it now. Okay, and also null values. Actually, descriptive analysis is this. Okay, this is the data cleansing, not the descriptive analysis. Okay, null value and missing values removal. Okay, so null values. Okay, relation. Okay, covariance. Okay, skewness. Okay, so this is come into the cleaning part, data cleaning. Okay. Understand that? Data cleaning. Okay, correlation, covariance. Okay, skewness. So and also and convert. Okay, so that's been done. The only thing that is remaining, that's known as the skewness of the data set. Okay, now we'll see the skewness of the data set. Okay, so if you guys remember how we find out the skewness of the data set, anyone can please tell me? Right skewed, left skewed, normal distribution without drawing the graph. What ways we are using? Tell me. Mean, median, mode. Okay. Anyone else? Okay. Mean greater than, median greater than, and all these things. That's great. You guys remember it. We can go to this two guys. Okay. Now we have the already one function is there. So with the help of that, we can do it. So I already do for you guys. Okay. That's here. Okay. And it's a function. I will give you the basic thing. Right. Value is 0.4. That means if less than 0, negative, greater than 0, positive, and equal to 0, normal. Okay. So with the help of that, we can get to know. See. Okay. So we want only this one. So actually, we want only offers, still offers. Not going to take the okay. See, home is normal, price positive, square foot positive, positive, positive. All are the positive skew. Okay. So this done with the help of the this particular function. Okay, so that has been done. Now what else we have to do? We have to see the relationship, correlation. So correlation function is also there. Correlation of data frame in Python. Just go this one and you will get to know. Okay, so df dot direct function is there. The correlation has been given. Home between price this, home between square foot this, home between this negative. So that means if see very good, and always remember we have to find out the correlation between the price and the feature variable. That's I am literally putting here. Always find correlation between target variable and feature variables. Not find, analyze. Price to home. Okay, so this one, okay, positive, square foot positive, bedroom positive, bathroom positive. Okay, which is the more value? This one. That means if the square feet is increasing, the price of the home is also increasing. Okay, so this is the way to find out the correlation. You can also give the methods here. There are the three methods: Pearson, Kendall, and Spearman. Okay, so if you want to just use the three methods, that can we can 1 second. What is the method? Okay, okay, we'll use the both three of the methods. I want to use it. What I will do? Or language. Okay. Just want to think of this. Yeah. See. And if you want to put the method also, so you can put the method also. Okay. So this method, and this. Okay, so Candle method, Spearman, okay, Pearson. These are the three methods we applied and we can check. Okay, so how the values are. Okay, so this is the correlation has been done. Okay, got it, guys? Till now, any doubts? What we have done so far? Let's sum up this. Okay, descriptive analysis we done. Okay, Then we just put the data cleaning part, null values, correlation, skewness, convert categorical to numerical, okay, with the level encoding, get dummies, then we find out the skewness, okay, of the every variable. Okay, after that, we just see the correlation between the target and future variable. Okay, so that's done so far. Now the data visualization. Okay, guys, done? Understood to everyone? Anyone have any doubt? Please tell me. Okay, now guys, we'll see data visualization in next section. Okay, because it's going to be very, very fast, and that's why you need to be just try the study or the topics that has been studied till now. So you have to just practice it. Yeah, it's too much for today. Yeah, I know, I know. That's why I'm telling. I can totally understand. That's why. Guys, तो टेल मी फ्रैंकली कैसा लगा आज का सेशन? बिल्कुल सही बताओ. फास्ट नहीं है, बहुत स्लो है. इट्स गोइंग वेरी फास्ट. नहीं, फास्ट इसलिए है क्योंकि आप लोगों को मतलब पहली बार आप देख रहे हो ना. अब आप इसकी प्रैक्टिस करोगे. आज ये नोटबुक में आज आपके साथ शेयर होगी, डेटा सेट भी शेयर होगा, तो फिर आप इसकी प्रैक्टिस करोगे और उसके बाद आपको डाउट्स आएंगे और आप मेरे को बताओगे कल सब. और सब प्रैक्टिस करोगे क्योंकि गाइस बहुत मेहनत लगती है इन सब में. आप ऐसे प्रैक्टिस नहीं करोगे तो मेरे को अच्छा नहीं लगेगा या फिर मजा नहीं आएगा. पता है, आप क्वेश्चंस नहीं करोगे, मेरे को पता चल जाएगा कि हाँ आप लोगों ने कुछ काम किया ही नहीं है, और ऐसे फिर यार बुरा लगता है यार. गेटिंग माय पॉइंट? थोड़ा अच्छा नहीं लगता है गाइस. हाँ, ये सब कुछ आपको मिलेगा. Our team will be send you the share drive and all these links. And guys, now Sunday classes are going to be scheduled on 11 p.m. morning. Okay, so tomorrow the class is 11, sorry, not p.m., a.m. 11 a.m. morning. Okay, guys, got it? तो कैसा लगा आज का? कुछ मशीन लर्निंग आ रही है? मजा आ रहा है कि लग रहा है, फील आ रहा है अंदर से कि मशीन लर्निंग पढ़ रहे हैं? क्या बोलते हो? यस प्रियंका, यू वांना से समथिंग? किसी को कुछ डाउट हो तो बताओ, मैं अनम्यूट करता हूँ, फिर उसको पूछो डाउट्स. प्रियंका, टेल मी इफ यू हैव एनी डाउट. सर आज लगा कि कुछ तो तूफानी तो हवा अभी आगे करोगे. यस प्रियंका, you has been unmuted now. You can just ask your question. Are you audible? So it's a part. Yes, it's a part of the supervised learning. See, supervised learning simple है, कुछ भी नहीं है. ठीक है, जिसमें टारगेट वेरिएबल दे रखा है. ठीक है, इसका मतलब है सुपरवाइज लर्निंग है. टारगेट वेरिएबल नहीं दे रखा है तो सुपरवाइज लर्निंग नहीं है, अनसुपरवाइज लर्निंग है. सिंपल. और गाइस आज ट्राई करना सेशन के साथ, कोडिंग के साथ साथ सेशन भी आप लोगों को रिपीट में देखना है. गॉट इट? I think Priyanka don't want to say anything. गाइस किसी को कुछ डाउट हो तो रेज योर हैंड्स, आई विल अनम्यूट इट। तो लगता है किसी को कोई डाउट नहीं है। चलो फिर कल मिलते हैं सुबह 11 बजे। ओके गाइस, बाय, टेक केयर। फाइल्स आपके साथ शेयर हो जाएगी, कल सुबह 11 बजे का सेशन है अपना, ठीक है। आज कुछ तूफानी किया है तो रात भर बैठना, जुपिटर नोटबुक को खोलना, देखना और सेशन भी देखना। अगर सेशन सब समझ में आ गया है तो मत देखना, लेकिन जुपिटर नोटबुक खोलना मत भूलना। ओके गाइस, चलो बाय, टाटा, हैव अ नाइस डे। कल मिलते हैं 11 बजे सुबह।